How to use Zedge without creating an account. First of all, open the Zedge app on your device. When you launch the app, you will be prompted to either sign in or create an account. But you can skip this by tapping the Continue as Guest option, usually located at the bottom of the login screen, depending on your version. As a guest user, you can browse wallpapers, ringtones, notification sounds, and live wallpapers without any restrictions. You can source and download content directly without signing up. However, keep in mind that guest mode doesn't save your downloads or favorites across devices because you aren't logged into an account. If you want to save your favorites or sync your content, creating an account is recommended. But if you prefer quick access without signing up, Guest Mode offers a hassle-free way to enjoy Zedge features instantly. Now you know how to use Zedge without creating an account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.